Revision guide for argument. Clarity and purpose. Evaluate. Is my claim strong and clear? Take action. If your claim is not clear, replace it with a question. Then, answer the question by stating your position in a direct, forceful way. Development of ideas. Evaluate. Have I given enough supporting evidence for every idea? Take action. Mark each supporting detail and the idea it supports. Take action. Add or delete details if necessary. Evaluate. Have I used relevant and varied evidence? Take action. Add facts or expert statements to strengthen your opinions. Take action. Add anecdotes of examples to illustrate your facts. Evaluate. Have I addressed a counterclaim? Take action. If your answer is no, add a paragraph in which you identify a counterclaim and add evidence that supports it or shows its weakness. Take action. If your answer is yes, mark the counterclaim and details that either support it or show its weakness. Add evidence as needed. Organization. Evaluate. Have I organized my ideas in a logical way? Take action. If the structure does not work, reorganize ideas and details. Then, add transitions to make the flow of ideas clear. Evaluate. Does my introduction engage readers? Take action. Add a question, anecdote, quotation, or strong detail to interest your audience. Evaluate. Have I ended my editorial in a memorable way? Take action. Add a quotation, a call to action, an insight, or a strong statement to conclude. Language and style. Evaluate. Are my word choices precise and vivid? Take action. Review your draft and mark any vague words, such as good, bad, or important. Replace those words with vivid, more persuasive words, such as valuable, destructive, or influential. Evaluate. Is my tone suitable for an editorial in which I attempt to persuade my audience? Take action. Replace any slang or overly casual language with more formal options. For example, instead of saying, "Space exploration is cool," say, "Space exploration is both necessary and interesting." Evaluate. Have I used a variety of sentence types? Take action. If most of your sentences are very short or very long, create variety, break up long sentences, and combine closely related shorter sentences. Thanks for watching.